Okay, this week I want to talk about YouTube game. And it's not like a real YouTube games or something. The YouTube itself. There is like a couple things that you have to consider when you are into YouTube. How frequently should I upload a video? In the beginning, I was thinking that frequently uploading makes me go further in this run. But actually quality is way more important than quantity. I saw a lots of YouTubers which is just couple videos uploading in a month and they are still have millions of subscribers. So quantity matters. But there's a dilemma about this because if you are a beginner and you want to just practice and upload frequently. Other thing that I want to talk about is originality. I saw lots of YouTubers, they are just doing very good stuff. And I said to myself, how am I gonna handle with this? All of these guys, how the audience will see me. I don't know what's my strength points. And I said to myself, okay, this won't stop me in this process. And yeah, there's lots of creators creating really good stuff. One thing that they can never create is you. The only unique thing is you. You are unique, like me. I'm creating in this way and you will create your own way. So watch them, what they are doing. Yeah, but don't make them discourage you, okay? This is a big difference between you and them. One thing I saw is the competition is super wild. They are just creating super attention-grabbing visuals, animations, sound effects. Even content itself is super wild. Yeah, they do pay attention about these details to grab the viewer's attention. I don't know how to approach this situation. I didn't figure it out yet. This is why I'm staying kind of quiet, not exploding everything around myself and fire and the RGB glitch stuff around me. This is all my opinion and maybe it will change. I'm just staying in my road in this way. Planning is everything. When I was in my university, one of my management course lecturer told me that the planning is the most important thing when you start a new chapter. And think like this, if you don't have any plan to stick it, where you gonna go? What's your aim? What's your goal? What do you wanna accomplish in this journey? This is like a road trip, and if you know the destiny, you can go through there. But if you don't, you're just drifting around. If you have a yearly plan, then you can set goals into your month and plan your week, and even you can plan your days and hours. Like I did for my last week's video. When I failed, but I was trying to stick my plan, I improved my process. I see a problem about my language and I add 1 hour Discord speaking clubs into my life. So I'm practicing. Life itself has lots of surprises. When I get into Discord clubs, I saw a little link to put my YouTube channel's link in there, and I talk about my YouTube channel as well in there. I even get some subscriptions, who knows? So just keep on going. What do you want to do in your life? Get in touch with me on Discord channel. I put a link on the description. I don't want to do that stuff, but I put a link. Please hit that and hope to see you next week. Goodbye.